Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shinichi Kudo, and for today's video we're going to study and draw different kinds of sea animals. Okay, are you ready? So come and join me as we draw the different kinds of sea animals. Okay, now can you tell me what is the picture? Yes, very good. It's a fish. So how do we spell fish? It goes like this. We have F I S H. Okay, very good. Can you say it one more time? Fish. Great. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you had a great time. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.